Today we're gonna make some delicious stir-fried rice cake. In Chinese, we call it Nian Gao. It is a must-eat during Chinese New Year because it symbolizes good luck and good fortunes. So to celebrate Chinese New Year, today I'm also partnering with Knorr. Let's make some delicious Nian Gao. To celebrate Chinese New Year, Knorr is going to have an awesome sweepstakes. From January 5th to January 31st, there will be 10 winners. And those lucky winners will get 1,000 worth of kitchen supplies, including a high-quality cast iron induction cooker and a super amazing gift basket. To enter the sweepstakes, use Knorr kitchen broth mix, Knorr liquid seasoning, or Knorr bouillon cubes, and cook your family's favorite Chinese New Year dish. Take a picture of this amazing dish and upload it to Knorr's website. I will put the link in the description box. We're gonna first cut the white part of the scallions into 1/2-inch pieces. And cut the green part of the scallions into 1-inch pieces. Cut the NAPA cabbage into 1-inch pieces. And slice the shiitake mushrooms. Cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces. Now we're gonna make the seasoning. We're gonna use Knorr liquid seasoning. You can use Knorr liquid seasoning in any savory dishes like stir-fry, stew, dipping sauce, or as a part of your marinade. We're also gonna add the dark soy sauce, rice vinegar, Knorr chicken broth mix. It will help to boost chicken umami flavors. You can use it in any kind of stir-fry, soup, or as a part of your marinade. Here's also white pepper, sugar, and sesame oil. Give it a good mix. In a wok, we're gonna heat it up until smoking hot. Add 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil. You could also use other type of high smoking point oil. Immediately transfer in the pork belly and stir fry until lightly brown for about 1 minute. Now we're gonna transfer in the shiitake mushrooms and the white part of scallions. Stir fry for another minute. Also season with a pinch of salt. Take them out and set them aside. In the same wok over high heat, heat it up until smoking hot. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil. Transfer in the rice cake and stir fry until lightly browned for about 2 minutes. And now we're going to turn to medium heat and return the pork belly, shiitake mushrooms, and scallions mixture. And water. Also add in the NAPA cabbage. We're gonna cover the lid and let it cook for about 3 minutes. And add the seasoning and give it a good toss and good mix. Lastly, garnish with the green part of the scallions. So delicious. The Nian Gao itself is kind of like noodles, but much chewier and much stickier. And this is so delicious because the taste of the wok is amazing. Like the guo qi, slightly charred taste, make it so delicious. And I love the umami flavors, the crunchiness of the vegetables. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday. And I like to stay in touch with you on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. So I will see everyone again next Friday. Bye for now. Happy Chinese New Year!